Welcome everyone. Today I'm very excited to demonstrate how I create an AI receptionist for XYZ Dental Clinic, a voice agent designed to streamline dental appointment scheduling system. This project was inspired by a case study I found online, which reveals that dental organizations miss 27% of inbound calls with their traditional human receptionist system. To solve this problem, I developed an AI voice agent that can book, reschedule, and cancel appointments, allowing staff to focus on other critical tasks. This agent can operate 24/7 and can handle up to 24 calls simultaneously, ensuring exceptional client satisfaction. Now let's see the voice agent in action. This is the voice agent I have created using Retell AI. Okay, let's test the agent.
Thank you for calling XYZ Dental Clinic. This is Maria. How may I help you with?
Hey, I need to schedule a dental cleaning for tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Let me check if we have a cleaning slot open for August 19th at 10 a.m. Great news, we have a cleaning slot available tomorrow at 10 a.m. May I have your name, please?
My name is John Doe.
Thank you, John. Can I use this number to confirm your appointment, or would you like to provide a different phone number?
No, I like to provide a different phone number. So the phone number will be
Wow.
310 555 1234.
Right. Thank you. Just to confirm, your phone number is +13 1055 51234. Is that correct?
Yes.
And before I book, are you having any specific dental concerns, or is this just a routine cleaning?
It is just a routine cleaning.
Your dental cleaning appointment is confirmed for Tuesday, August 19th at 10 a.m. You're all set, John. Your dental cleaning is booked for August 19th at 10 a.m. See you then.
Okay, let me check.
Of course. If you need to check your appointment details or make any changes, just let me know how I can help.
Of course.
All right, John.
You see
if you have
the
any other questions or
Yes, you can see the appointment is already booked, and this is how the patient description and the detail has been constructed by the agent automatically. There is no manual work inside that. Okay, hey Maria, I want to reschedule that appointment. Can you do that for me?
Absolutely, I can help with that. To confirm, your phone number is +13 1055 51234, correct? When would
Yes.
you like to reschedule your dental cleaning appointment to?
I want to reschedule that appointment on the next day at the same time.
You'd like to move your cleaning to August 20th at 10 a.m. Let me check if that time is available. Your appointment has been moved to August 20th at 10 a.m. You're all set for the new time?
Okay, let me check. See, August 19 is
No
gone,
problem.
so yes, the appointment has been moved successfully. Yes, Maria, you have done a great job. Can you cancel the appointment? For some reason I am feeling ill.
Your appointment has been canceled. I hope you feel better soon, John. Let me know if you need to reschedule when you're
See,
ready.
the appointment has been cancelled. Okay, Maria, you have done a great work. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, wait. Maria, can you tell me what type of service do you offer?
Of course. We offer a full range of dental services, including routine cleanings, exams, fillings, crowns, root canals, extractions, teeth whitening, dental implants, emergency care, and more. If you have a specific concern or need, just let me know and I can give you more details.
Okay, Maria, thank you so much. Bye bye.
You're very welcome.
So you saw the agent in action, and please comment down below how it was, because the process was tedious, let me be honest. So I came across another case study that shows how a dental clinic owner increased their conversion rate up to 70% by implementing an AI receptionist like this one I have shown you earlier. So if you're interested in integrating an AI agent into your system or need to find the right solution, please comment down below, or you can share your challenges. We can have a live call also. We can discuss your specific business need and explore how AI can address them. Okay, now I'll share with you how I've created the agent. Okay, I've created the agent with Retell AI. When you got into Retell AI, then you'll have to create an account. Then Retell will give you a free trial, $10. This is enough for creator testing an agent. We'll go into the dental receptionist agent that I have created. Okay, first you have to give the system prompt. So I have created this whole system prompt using Claude. So all you have to do is go to Claude, and you have to give every instruction how you want the agent to perform. So I have particular rules and regulations for the agent that I have gathered through YouTube or any other platform. So I will show you. Okay, here the instruction that I have gathered. First one is person and role. You have to give the agent a particular role. Here it is booking and information assistant for, okay, this is another type of barber tip shop. Okay, the agent book, reschedule and cancel appointment for Alex. I have created another backbone. According to that, I have command Claude. Hey Claude, I want my agent to have this type of features included. So here are some other. Okay, never ask the user for an email address, because now AI agents are not that much capable of gathering the exact email that the user speaks. Sometimes they do not get the actual email address, so it will create an error, right? So because of that, I have constructed the agent such that it should never take an email address from the user. Instead of that, it will give a common email address in every appointment, such as for a dental clinic, such as this is XYZ dental clinic. So the email address could be of the company. So the of the clinic. So the email address will be XYZ dental xyzdentalclinic.com. This type of email address. It will gather all the appointment into one common email. Only the phone number will be different. So here, never ask the user for an email address. Just silently book every appointment using one email address that I have given to that. Book every appointment using this email address as the customer email. Then phone number formatting. In this particular scenario here what it will do is always append +1 to the beginning of the phone number. Like the phone number could be let me see. The phone number could be like 310 555 1234. So it will append +1 before the number. So the number will be +1 310 555 1234. This the number format will be like this. The agent will just add +1. Okay. Then what? Then use caller number as default. Always use user underscore number. This is a parameter of Retell AI. It detect the number the person is calling from. So always use user number to book the appointment when using the phone number the caller is calling from. Okay. Then what? Establish current time and date. Okay, the agent should know what is the current time and date before doing any booking stuff. Because if it do not know the current date and time, then it cannot book. If the user say like, hey, I want to book an appointment tomorrow. If it do not know the current time and date, it cannot book the appointment tomorrow because it do not know what will be the tomorrow date and time. Okay, I think I'm clear. Okay, then what? Then oh, I have given time and date in New York preference. So the current time and date will be like this. Then what? For the tool call appointment, to book appointment, make sure you always have a phone number included. Here is an example. I have given example how the tool call instruction should be construct. Hell.com will get this type of command, this type of JSON command. Okay. Then what? Then cancellation and reschedule prompt. If someone want to cancel their appointment, just ask which phone number the booking was under and a quick reason. For cancellation, the agent must take the reason of the cancellation, why the user want to cancel the appointment. The system prompt I have constructed, it is called multi-shot prompting. So what is multi-shot prompting? You have to give every step to the agent. Like if the user says that, what would it answer? Particularly you are training the agent the every step what the user tell, and if the user tell that, what the agent have to say on that topic. Then I will go to Claude because the full prompting I have done in Claude. Okay, here I have given a prompt. I want to create a dental receptionist AI voice agent, and I want you to create the prompt for me. The system prompt I am giving you as a reference. I have given a system prompt as a reference, and a particular that document I have shown you before. I have given two type of prompt, and I want the agent to compare those reference and create the prompt for me. Like this prompt I will give you in description, or you will just use this video and give it to Gemini to extract the prompt. So Gemini or any other AI model will extract the prompt. Then you will use that reference to Claude and give your instruction what type of agent you want to build. You have to clarify here that the what type of prompting structure should it follow. Here I have used multi-shot prompting, so the agent will know all the steps that it should perform to book an appointment. If the user says that, what it will react, how it will react. Okay, here it is given identity and purpose of the agent. Then conversation flow. Like this is the first sample so I have modified it later. Here I give command to Claude that I want this type of filler words to my agent so that the agent could hear more human. Okay, I have given much instructions to make it more humanly as possible. Okay, then I have given another. Oh, then I have added two tools. I give command. I want to add this type of these two tool parameter in my agent, so it have done that. Then I have included time zone will be New York, like that. Then I have used another chat. I have copied this prompt from here, this updated prompt, and go to another chat. Here I have given the whole instruction. This is the updated instruction. Before I have done some playing, I see how Claude is reacting, how it is creating the prompt. Then I have got some flaws and cause the and what type of error it is showing by the agent in Retell. After experimenting everything, then I have come to the exact part where I have given the exact system I want. So I have shared all these instruction that I want to give the agent. Never ask the user an email address. I have shown you that before. So here I have given you a system. I have given you a prompt for a voice agent. Now I want to replicate this prompt, but you have to change some important things. It could be the backbone of the prompt. I have given down below. You'll change it accordingly to those commands, and the company in this case you will use dental clinic XYZ dental clinic. The command you will change or add is down below. I have given the whole command that I want. I have shown you in earlier, the tool calling function and everything. And this is the prompt the agent have created, the cloud agent have created. So here XYZ dental clinic voice system prompt. So it is first start with current date and time reference. It is more effective. So current date and time is New York time zone, Eastern New York time zone. Okay, important, you use the current date and time to resolve relative date expression like tomorrow, next Friday, as I have to say you earlier. So determine same day emergency availability. If the user want an emergency appointment, the agent should book appointments suddenly on that exact day because it is an emergency. Then I have used another chat. The reason I have using separate chats because sometimes Claude hallucinate and make mistakes. So I just restart everything again by copying the system prompt that it have generated. So here what I have said, check availability tool. The tool should book appointment, reschedule to an appointment, cancellation tool. You need to include those tools. Okay, now I have given some tools that it have to include in the agent. So the first tool is check availability tool for checking if requested appointment time are available or not. Then book appointment tool for booking new appointment. Then reschedule appointment tool. Then cancellation appointment tool. Then I have said another thing. So for some reason the booking appointment tool is not adding phone number on the system. So when constructing the agent, I have faced many errors. So this is the first error I have faced. So the agent was not able to get and now not able to construct phone number parameter in the tool call function. I will show you later. So it is not showing the phone number function. So for that I am researching why it is not giving. So is it a problem in the prompt or not? So I have several time I have updated the prompt, but it was not solving the error. So let's go to the next chat. I think you are being bored saying those, but it is necessary if you are serious. Okay, what is here? Here, I want you to reconstruct the system prompt I have given you. Act as a professional prompt engineer having 10 years of experience, and the prompt flow should be multi-shot prompting. And some changes that I want to make is the time format must be converted into ISO 80601 format. So what is ISO 8601 format? This is the format Google Calendar understands the date and time more clearly. So I want the agent always convert the date and time into that, because when the user says, hey, I want to book an appointment tomorrow, but if Retell AI do not convert that sentence tomorrow date and time, if it share Google Calendar the exact sentence tomorrow this date and time, calendar will not understand. Okay, and the calendar will not get the natural language what is tomorrow. So it have to be converted in ISO 806 format, 8601 format, sorry. Okay, so I have updated the prompt again and again. Here as here Okay, slightly change in the prompt, adding cancellation tool. I want the agent ask a user why you want to cancel the appointment, because cal.com want to know, like they want validation why the appointment should be cancelled. So I want the answer from the user. So you will take cancellation reason from the user, it is must. So I have changed some rules here and there. Okay, I have given another tool recall structure to make it more professional. Here probably I have given the description in the tool call function a more structured way. You will see new description. So how I have created this tool JSON. Here I have done some slight changes in the quality, how the appointment will book. It should look professional, this type of thing. Okay, let me show you. See there, and I have given these mandatory rules that it should not negotiate with these rules. So I have shared non-negotiable absolute critical rules. So here here is the whole calling tool, how the calling function will be triggered. So multi-shot with multi-shot prompting. So this is the prompt I have generated with several chats in Claude. So what is the function here? So the function I have added, check availability tool, I have shown you earlier. So how I have added that? By pressing add, you'll see check calendar availability tool. So it is integrated built in with Retell and cal.com. So when you press that, see, check availability tool, here when the user asks for availability, check the calendar and provide available slot. So here you have to paste cal.com API key, and here you will have to paste the event ID, and here you will give the time zone. In my case the time zone is New York. So here you'll see the cal.com API key, the event ID, and the time zone, it is New York. So how you'll get the cal.com API key, let me show you. Okay, I have logged in into my cal.com account. You have to go to setting, then you will see API key. You have to create an API key, and you have to copy the API key and paste it somewhere safe, because you will not see the API key later on, it will be disappeared. Okay, you will create an API key like this. You can give an expiry date if you want, and then save. You will get the API key. After getting the API key, you have to copy that and paste it here. Then how you'll get the event ID? So it is little critical. To get the event ID, you need to have an event here. So you can create a new event, or you will see some default event created in cal.com built-in. So I am using this event. So here see, you will get the event ID. This is the event ID. I think you are seeing. Okay, this is the event ID. You have to copy this event ID, Control C, and paste it in Retell AI here, Control V. So it is done. So next, the time zone. The time zone, it depends on your area, where the agent, in what type of clinic, where is the clinic locate, in what area, and in which country, it depends on that. Then you can update. Okay, next you have to add check availability. Next you have to add book appointment tool. So here you'll see book on the calendar. It is also built in cal.com, integrated with Retell AI. So when you press that, this tool will trick this tool. You will see this tool. You will rename it as you want, as you have construct the system prompt tool. It have to be similar. If it is not similar, then the agent will not recognize the tool. It will give an error. So you have to give a description. Here I have given precise description. When the user asks to book an appointment, the appointment, book it in calendar, must add must add service phone description on the parameter. In the tool call function, it should add service phone description. You must have to add this in the description, because the problem I was facing earlier, the phone parameter was not in the tool call function. I have updated the system from severally, but the error was not resolved. But when I go to book on calendar, here I have updated the description, must add phone parameter on the tool call function. The problem resolved. So I think the description is much important than adding in the system prompt, because the tool call function is directly related with this function. Okay, you have to add phone parameter, must add phone parameter, a phone parameter in the tool call on the JSON structure of the tool call, replicate or adhere to the JSON structure provided in the system prompt. All time must be in UTC format. What is UTC format? The ISO's 8601 format I have told you earlier. This is UTC format. So the UTC format should look like year, month, date. It should be structured like that. Okay, I have created a description by I show you. Okay, sometimes you need to use cal.com documentation to know how cal.com JSON structure should look. So here is the documentation. Okay, here is a feature, ask AI. You'll press that, and you can ask a question like let me ask a question. Hey, how the JSON parameter should look like when I use a booking function using API, how the JSON structure should look. Please, can you give me a JSON structure, how it should look? It will scrape this whole documentation and give me precise structure of the JSON. Here it is giving a basic example. Okay, it is the JSON structure it is created. to make it more precise for similaring with Retell AI. So what you can do is, okay, let's assume you have added book appointment tool and check availability tool. Now go to test chat. You will check the agent by chatting, because if you test the agent by using audio, by using this tool, the it will cost you more credit. So go to manual chat. Okay, now let me chat with the agent. Hey, I want to book an appointment for dental cleaning for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. May I have your name, please, and the best number to reach you? Okay, let me give it. Okay, my name is John, and my phone number is 310 555 1234. Let's see what it has done. Let me check if we have if we have opening for dental cleaning tomorrow at 10 a.m. So it is the tool. This is the tool call function. This is the JSON structure I am talking you. So this is the JSON structure creating by Retell AI. This is for check availability tool. We do not need that. We need this book appointment tool. So here you can see the structured way the JSON looks. In your case, it will not look like that. It look like that because of my own custom description. I have precise it how it should look, and in the system prompt I have also precisely here I have also precisely shown it how it should look, how the JSON structure should look. So it depends on that. So in your case it will not look like that. If you want to structure it on your preference, then you have to copy it from here, control C, and go to cal.com. Here you'll paste it. Hey, I want to add more features on the description, and what the effect will show. I have to go to calendar and show you how how my how my booking looks. Then you'll understand. Okay, let me see if there any booking I have done. Okay, there is no booking available. 21 August. Okay, looks like there was an issue in the phone number from me. Yes, the phone number was not right. It do not got the exact phone number. Okay, okay, there is no appointment. Let me book the appointment correctly. Okay, my phone number is 310 555 1234. Hey, here you're all set. Your dental clinic, your appointment is booked. Let's see in 21. The appointment should be here. Here's the appointment. You'll see it is structured quite well. In your case, it will not look like that. It will look more newbie and not professional. So I have made it more structured. Like, see the patient description. It has created new line several time and points. So if you want this type of JSON structure, you can copy mine, or you can use your own custom design. You have to go to here, come here, and give the JSON default JSON output coming from tool call function in Retell AI, and you will paste that here, and you'll see, hey, can you make it more professional look, adding description or more information about the patient, is if the patient have any type of allergic, or any type of routine cleaning before, or any type of individual thing that the doctor should know before having appointment with the client, with the user. It looks professional, and for the client will say, wow, the doctor knows about my problem. So that was my goal, to make the client more impressed. After doing that, I think you got it clearly. The concept will be more clear if I go through. Okay, then you have to add more two tools for rescheduling purpose and canceling purpose. And for that, there is no built-in function for that. You have to create it, integrate with make.com to make the automation. You can also use na10 for the automation, but for my purpose I use make.com. It is more clear for me, so I have used make.com. Custom function, you have to go to custom function, and you will have to give a name of the function you want, the description, and webhook URL. I will show you later. Then you will have to give JSON parameters. So here you'll see you have to press form. Here you have to add parameters. I have added two parameters. Let me show you. Here in the reschedule function, you'll see I have added the function of rescheduling. Here I have given the description. I have added included UTC format must. It is also, you can also say it ISO 8860 format. So here I have given the parameter. The first parameter will be new time because it is rescheduling function, and in rescheduling the user want what new time the user want to reschedule the appointment. Here you have to collect that, right? So by this new time parameter, this exact new time the user want, it will collect by this function. So here I have given description. You have to give the description, and if you more precisely give the instruction, then the less error you'll get. This is the time and date the caller want to move their appointment to ensure date in ISO 8018601 format. So this will be the ISO format 8601. Okay, then you have to add another parameter named phone, and always use lowercase format in the parameter. It could get error if you do not do that. Okay, in the phone parameter you will give a description. This is the caller's phone number, and the both will be in string format. Okay, then check this or uncheck this. It depends on your preference. If you check this box, speak after execution, the agent will speak, hey, the reschedule appointment is done. If you uncheck this, then the agent will not speak after rescheduling update. Okay, when you add the reschedule function, okay, let me tell you, you cannot update the function if you do not add the URL, webhook URL. So to add the webhook URL, you have to go to make.com. You have to create a scenario. Here you can create an account and add a scenario. After adding scenario, rename it appointment rescheduling. I have done beginner friendly make.com video in my YouTube channel. It is in other language, but you'll understand. As a beginner, you will understand. It is so much easy. Okay, you have to add a webhook function or node. Here webhook, you'll say custom webhook. You have to add this. Let me delete that. I have already have. Okay, in the webhook you have to create an webhook named reschedule. When you create reschedule type webhook, then you will get a address. So you have to copy the address on the clipboard and go to Retell AI and paste the webhook here. After pasting Control V on this function here, the API endpoint should be in post format. You have to update. If you press the update, it will successfully update. Okay, rescheduling function is done. Now you have to go to make.com and create the scenario. So after let me show you how this scenario full occurred. Then you will create it on your own. It is easy. Okay, then I have done a HTTP request. Then I have done a HTTP request node. You will find the node here, HTTP. Here you will select make a request, this function, and go in there, and you have to give an URL. So in this case, I have given api.kl.com booking API. Where it will find, how you will find that, you can go to the documentation and ask the AI what is the HTTP URL for booking appointment. It will give you this URL, and the method should be get, because from the data particularly coming from the webhook, it will go to cal.com and get the data. Is there any appointment or not? It will get the data. If there is an appointment, it will show this the appointment is this appointment is have in according to this number from the webhook coming from. In this number there are this type of appointment. If there is no appointment, then it will show there is no appointment on this particular time or date. So it will extract the appointment details according to date and time and phone number. Then then I want the agent should be mapped according to phone number. If there is an appointment according to that phone number, the user is giving to the agent in rescheduling task. If that phone number is matching with the phone number the user have booked the appointment previously, if those both phone number match, then this make.com scenario will pass that data through this path. If there is no match mobile number, then there is no booking no booking from that mobile number. Then it will go to this path and give an unsuccessful message to Retell AI that no meeting exists associated with that phone number. So Retell agent will answer the user that there is no meeting I have found according to this number. Sorry for that. Okay, if it found the exact meeting the user want to reschedule, then it will parse that meeting address inside UID. So this UID variable will go to this path. So here it will be filtered by a filter. Here the condition will be UID and you have to, and the operation will be exist. If the UID exists, if the UID variable is exist, then this path will trigger or not, this path will trigger. Okay, I have added a error handling module. If you want, you can add that. If and then according using this HTTP request, the reschedule task will be triggered. Here you have to give this URL api.com apical.com booking. According to this UID, you have to reschedule the appointment. It is the command is giving through HTTP request to cal.com. Okay, here okay, you have to give two header. Item 1 here will be cal API, and in 2 there will be authorization and bearer. This is the token. This is the token I have shown you, API token. This is the token, API token, and these should be constructed like that. And in the body you have to select raw, and the content type will be JSON, and the JSON content JSON structure should look like that. The requested content, the JSON structure should look like this: start argument, new time, save. Okay, then a successful message will be gone to Retell AI. The meeting has been successfully rescheduled. Okay, let me show you how it works. Hey, I want to reschedule this appointment. To make it trigger. No problem, John. When would you like to move the dental appointment to? Okay, this is the new time. Okay, the new time should be. Okay, I want to reschedule the appointment on 22 August at the same time, 10 a.m. Okay, here the reschedule function trigger. Okay, see the new time, 22 August, 22 August. Okay, here is the phone number. Sorry, there was an issue processing the request. Would you like try or help you different time? Okay, let me see. 22 August. 22 August is Friday. Okay. Okay, let me see the calendar. Okay, how about 11 a.m.? Hey, why I'm getting this error? Oh, it is a server error. So there is no problem, should be in my side. Let's see, invalid or missing requirement parameter. Server side error. Inbound database activity problem verified distance structure ensure recursive check your API authentication confirm API is valid data. Okay, let's copy the tool call function and give it to. This is the parameter. This is the listen parameter. Sorry, it is not booking API. It is rescheduling tool API. It is saying to add start and end parameter, but it should work without that because it has worked before. Okay, how about creating a new chat, and here we can say to reschedule the appointment. Let's see, it should work. Okay, I want to reschedule a appointment that I have booked. May I have your phone number? Okay, my phone number is 310 555 1234. Let me see the phone number is correct or not. 310 555 1234. Yes, it is correct. Even appointment booked when you want to reschedule it to. Okay, my preferred date and time is 22 August Friday at 12 p.m. Is the time available? Okay, I think it worked. Okay, let's see. Yes, it worked. I don't know why it do not work on that set. I think for rescheduling I have to restart that. I don't know why it has occurred, but I think I have to make this automation more precise, more robust for to handle those type of errors. Okay, let's see it is moved or not. Okay, our booking has been moved from 21. It should be on 22, but according to my time zone in this calendar it is Bangladesh, but the time zone I have created on cal.com it is New York, so it should make a difference. Yes, it has made the difference. The time, yes, the EDT time is on 12 p.m. The appointment is booked on 12 p.m., but in BDT it is 10 p.m. It's all right. Okay, let's see it is the same appointment or not. Dental clinic, yes, dental cleaning, chief compliant routine cleaning request. Okay, request treatment professional dental clinic, so special note, first time patient, no urgent issue reported. Okay, I do not give any urgent issues. So this is the appointment that I have booked, and it has rescheduled successfully. Okay, so let's see how the cancellation module is working. So you can see I have added a cancellation function. As I have added a reschedule function, you have to add in the same method the cancellation function, but here you have to change something. The function name will be cancellation, and the description should be must be in UTC format, and this is the API endpoint, and the parameter should be first phone, because the cancellation will be contact with the phone number. With the phone number the agent will find the appointment, and according to that phone number the agent will search the appointment and it will find the appointment. If it find the appointment, then it will cancel. Before canceling, it will ask the user what is the reason of cancellation. So here is the reason of cancellation. In this cancellation reason parameter, you have to add this parameter after phone. So this is the reason the appointment is cancelled. The board type will be string, and you have to check the speak after execution if you want. So this is the cancellation parameter. Or let me see. Let you see the cancellation make.com scenario automation. Okay, here you'll see the appointment workflow. Here it's the same. You have to create a webhook name cancellation. The name should be same, the function name and this webhook name should be same. Okay, you have to copy the address and paste it there, and it's the same, the node that we have added in schedule, it will be like that, and the same tool and the same variable function will be added, map function. Then you have to add the same parameter filter, then only this node will be changed. In this http node you have to cancel the appointment, not reschedule, so you have to add this url for cancellation, and this uid is the user id. Okay, then post, then the request content will be in json will be cancellation reason must need for cal.com to cancel the appointment. Okay, if the appointment is cancelled, then it will give this message, the meeting was successfully cancelled, and if it is not, then no meeting exists associated with that phone number. Okay, let's cancel the appointment. Hey, I want to cancel that appointment. Here, see the, it wants the cancellation reason. Okay, I am feeling severe ill. Sorry, see, it will be severe. I don't know how it will react. Okay, it has cancelled the appointment. Let's see. Sorry for my English. Okay, it has cancelled the appointment. Yes, it has worked. I don't know why the reschedule function make that type of error. It is a headache. I have to handle that. Okay, the appointment has been cancelled. Let's see how it has cancelled the appointment. So okay, you have to on the, after creating all those things, after creating the scenario, you have to trigger this on. If you not trigger this on, then no data will come to make.com. You have to turn this on. Okay, let's see 20 August. See, let's see how it is react after getting the command from Retell. The webhook has got instructions. Okay, let's see. Here is the phone number that I have given. The cancellation reason is patient is severely ill. Okay, it has pronounced correctly, my bad. Okay, let's see what data it is filtered from json from cal.com. Dental appointment between Saifullah and John. Okay, it has got every appointment that has been conducted by the email and the phone number, but I want to map only with phone number, so I have added the variable as far you know. Okay, here it has got the uid. Now it has successfully filtered. Then we have cancelled the appointment successfully. Yes, the patient is feeling severe ill, the cancellation request, and what is the output? Status data. Okay, cancelled. We have getted the cancellation message. So this is how the agent works. And another error I have faced, it was severe and it was a lot headache. Let me show you that. Let me show you that on reschedule function. Okay, here in the http request, grab all upcoming meetings. Here you have to press yes on parse response. If you don't, then let me show you. Then this data will not be shown like that. It will be just a raw data coming from, there will be no structure like this, no JSON type structure. It will not get that type of parsed structure if you not press the yes on the parse response. And if it is not parsed like that, then this variable will not get the data and the booking field response parameter, because the output is not parsed, and this variable will give error. And it has given me a lot of headache because the map function was not working. I don't know what was working, why it is not working. So after pressing the parse response to yes, it magically works. So it was a headache and it solved in a second. So you have to know this is important, pressing the parse response. Okay, this was all the required function, and I have shared you all thing that I have done. In the knowledge base, you will not add any knowledge base, and in the speech I have added background noise as coffee shop. It sounds great. And in back channeling, I have added some filler words, and that's all. I do not add phone number in this agent. Later on videos I will add phone number. Let me know in comment what type of video you want and how do you understand, do you got everything I have told you, and is there any type of misunderstanding? Please let me know in the comment. If someone want to integrate this type of AI agent into their system, please let me know. We can discuss about that if you want or not. It depends on your business, on what type of business you are performing. Okay, after doing all this stuff, you have to publish the agent. Just press on publish. If you not press on publish, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is how all thing is structured. So this is all for today. Bye bye.